no stopping going down the hill. Picture's out there. Swing by and say hi to him real quick. Would you say Florida sounds good about right now?
Or California.
I don't know about California. I think I'd take Florida.
Yeah, I would. That'd be my first choice. Or Aruba or Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Or somewhere.
Oh. That was my preacher. He lives just down the road from us. So when I went down the alley, I saw he's out there shoveling. These side roads are pretty nasty, but according to the ODOT's cameras on the main roads, they've already been plowed and salted, pretty good shape. So my only concern is where I'm going to get my hair cut at. There's a big old hill you got to climb up, and then down another hill, and then just slightly up another. But if it's anything like this right here, this isn't bad. It's all salted and cleared off, so I don't see this being a problem. As long as people are careful, I'll be careful. But yeah, other than a little bit of slush, the roads are pretty clear. It's really just kind of wet. It is 27 degrees, so it is below freezing, but I think they've done a good job of getting them clear. And it's supposed to pretty much do what it's doing right now all the way till tonight. So as long as you maintain it, it should be good. But I'm glad to see the snow. If it's going to be dark and cloudy and dreary, at least we got the white to look at. Kind of brightens things up a little bit. Like I was telling my preacher, I think I'm going to go out hunting tonight, if possible. I'm going to probably have to take this SUV and just put a tarp in the back of the seats, come down and just put a tarp down and put my sled in there, because if I shoot something I gotta haul it. But I don't know if I can make it out to my hunting spot. The roads are nasty, which means I gotta drop Haley off, and then probably after I drop her off, just go straight out to the woods. But I don't mind being out when it's this cold, because I just bundle up, use hand warmers, and put some toe warmers down in my shoes, and I'll sit in the tree stand for 3-4 hours. It doesn't matter to me. Got one in the freezer this year. Was really kind of hoping to get an extra one. Although we're not eating as much meat as we normally do. I ordered in the spring, early summer, half a cow. No, a quarter of a cow this year actually. Oh, they took this light down again at this intersection. I don't know why they keep doing that. I don't know if it's construction they got going on or what. So now people are confused on who's going and who's not. But this is the hill I was worried about, and thank goodness it's clear. You can see a hill over here to the left where they've just got a little bit, they've salted it. I wouldn't want to go up and down that hill. So far it's not too bad getting up here, and hopefully the guy that normally cuts my hair is working today. I generally go on Saturday because it's kind of a guarantee that he'd be there on a Saturday. I don't even know if this place is open. I might be wasting my time, but I haven't had a haircut in, wow, almost 3 months it seems like. At least 2. I know it's at least 2. It might not be 3. Maybe if it was 3, that'd be, we're talking October. I'm pretty sure I got it cut in November. So I think I got it cut just before Thanksgiving. It's the last time I got it done. I'd honestly do a live stream like this, where I would just have the camera and sit here and answer questions as I'm driving around. But I'm just don't have enough subscribers and enough people to view in on it. I might get one person that's not doing something and I'll jump on there. So live streaming, just other than for the sake of doing it and it's saving as the video and people watch it later, it's kind of pointless. I've only had 2 people have ever commented on my live stream, so it's kind of like, what's really the point of doing live streams? So right now, long form and short form videos is basically where it's at. All right, well, there's my barbershop right here on the left. So I'm gonna park up in here and sign off. Okay. Got the haircut all done. Now I found out the guy that does my hair here. It's a good thing I came today because he's only here on Thursdays and Fridays anymore. So I have to. He's got a shop in New Concord here. Hey, there's a sheriff's deputy that's not speeding off somewhere. A couple of them went flying by a little bit earlier. Something must have been going on up the road. Yep, so now Saturdays, if I want a haircut, I have to get an appointment and go to the neighboring town, which is okay because it's not that far from here, so there's no excuse to go out there. But as you can see, the roads are they're just wet. It's 25 degrees now, so as long as they keep them salted, that's all it should be, is wet. Not having to, if they don't salt them, it's gonna turn to ice pretty quickly. Normally I turn right here on the right, go up this to the right and go up this hill, and then take a left on the other side of the interstate. So there's a hill there. I don't know if I've ever done a video on this, but young lady that used to go to our church years ago, her name was Anna, and she introduced Kim and the girls to the hill, so they call it Anna's Hill. But you ride that thing, it's like a roller coaster. You go down there pretty quickly, you hit the bottom, it comes straight back up again, and it gives you that roller coaster feeling. So we like going that way, but I think I chose not to do that today. I don't know what that road looks like. So, well, now I'm all cleaned up. I did put the stuff in my hair, but I'm gonna end up taking a shower here a little bit later because I got to get all this stuff off of me so that the deer don't smell me that well. My plan is to go out tonight. Honestly, I think Haley could probably drive the truck to work tonight. If they keep the roads like this, it ain't gonna be a problem for her to drive. It's just getting out of the neighborhood. If she just takes it slow, she should be fine. I honestly think the majority of the snow is already gone and passed. Come on, Chevy, get going. Why do we gotta sit here next to this truck for? We're not even doing the speed limit. Come on. Throwing snow all over the place. I don't know, maybe these videos are going to be annoying, but I just need to keep uploading. It's the only way I'm going to end up getting more subscribers and more followers and building up this YouTube channel. Put so much effort and into it so far. I don't want to give up on it. Besides, I do enjoy doing this. I enjoy videoing. Some people probably don't like this, but doing it. But I find the editing to be more enjoyable. There's a lot of raw footage, that's for sure, in doing one of these videos. I mean, videotape from home to the barbershop, from the barbershop back home. You think 100% of this is going to be in the video? Now, that's what live streams are for. You do a live one, then you don't edit anything. It is what it is. It's definitely raw. That's why I think it has its purpose, but I don't get enough off of it to mess around with live. I think we're gonna do a video here maybe Sunday. I told Kim, I said I'm not bringing Big Blue, the old Chevy C10, C20. I'm not gonna bring that out of the garage in this kind of weather. But we need to get the Christmas tree out and haul down the road. There's a dumping center where we can dump it at. So the lights have been off for almost a week and a half, but now we just need to get it out of the house. So I think what I told her, what we'll do is we'll just take it, throw it on top of the white truck, a couple tie down straps. So that'll make a funny video. So I think I'm going to work on that Sunday afternoon. The snow is supposed to be done. We're supposed to be out of this winter weather advisory by, I think, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So they're talking like we're going to continue to see snow over the next, almost 24 hours. But it's really lighting up. The sun's starting to peek out through the clouds. So it's very thin right now. But I'd say we've got 1.5, maybe 2 inches, close to 2 inches so far. So Kim just texted me earlier and said that a couple kids came out and wanted to know if they could shovel our sidewalks. So she found some cash and gave it to them. All right, well, try to get up here a little farther so we can get in these doors. That's the end of the trip. All cleaned up. Beard turned out pretty good. He wanted to know if I wanted to shorten it a little bit more, but hair is now thinner, and it was getting way too long. So a whole lot better. But I'm going to go inside, I don't know, find something to do, and then, I got to get some clothes and stuff together for tonight and make sure I'm ready to go. I only got a few hours, and then I'm going to be loading up and heading out in the woods. So, hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload more videos, because I'm uploading them multiple times throughout the week, at least a couple times a week. It seems like I'm uploading a short or a long form. And then also hit that like button. I want to see more likes going on here. So we're slowly growing, 300 and almost 380. So we're getting about 10 subscribers a week at this point in time. I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching, and I appreciate you subscribing to the channel. So if you want to support us, head over to my socials. They're in the description. I've got merch on there for sale. So if you're interested in any shirts, t-shirts, hoodies, hats, or anything like that, there'll be more as I build this up. Then hit me up with a message or email me. That's all in the description. So get on there and do that. That's the trip for today. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next episode.